Are you tired of feeling weighed down by toxins and debris in your colon? What if I told you there's a way to get rid of all that nasty stuff without resorting to harsh chemicals or expensive treatments? That's right, nature has provided us with the perfect toolkit for a clean, healthy colon. And today, we're going to dive into 6 amazing vitamins that can help you achieve just that. So sit back, relax, and let's give your colon the TLC it deserves. Picture this. You're walking through a lush, green forest, with the sunlight streaming through the trees. The air is fresh and clean, and you feel invigorated, full of life. This is how your colon should feel, free of toxins and debris, allowing your body to function at its best. But unfortunately, our modern diets and lifestyles can lead to a buildup of harmful substances in the colon, which can cause bloating, constipation, and other health issues. Now, imagine you've stumbled upon a hidden treasure chest in that forest, and inside you find 6 magical vitamins that can help cleanse your colon and restore it to its natural, healthy state. These vitamins are like the superheroes of colon health, each with its own unique powers to help you feel lighter, more energetic, and overall just better. First up, we have vitamin A, the defender against colon invaders. It's an antioxidant that protects your colon cells from damage caused by free radicals. A healthy dose of vitamin A can be found in sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach. Not only will it help keep your colon clean, but it's also great for your skin and vision. Next, we have vitamin B9, also known as folic acid, the guardian of colon cell health. Studies have shown that folic acid can actually help prevent colon cancer by promoting the production of healthy colon cells. You can find this fantastic vitamin in leafy greens like kale and spinach, as well as in avocado and asparagus. Our third superhero is vitamin C, the great detoxifier. This powerful antioxidant not only helps neutralize harmful substances in the colon but also aids in the production of collagen, which helps maintain the integrity of your colon walls. To enjoy the benefits of vitamin C, indulge in citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries. Now, let's talk about vitamin D, the calcium enforcer. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, which helps keep your colon muscles strong and functioning properly. You can catch some rays for your daily dose of vitamin D, or find it in fortified dairy products and fatty fish. Next up is vitamin E, the colon cell regenerator. Like vitamin A, it's an antioxidant that helps protect your colon cells from damage. But vitamin E also helps promote the growth of new, healthy colon cells, ensuring that your colon stays in tip-top shape. You can find this powerful vitamin in nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Finally, we have vitamin K, the colon blood flow master. Vitamin K helps regulate blood clotting in the colon, ensuring that your colon tissue receives the right amount of blood flow to stay healthy. You can find this essential vitamin in green leafy vegetables, like spinach and kale, as well as in broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Now, here's a fun fact that most people don't know. The bacteria in your gut actually produce some of these vitamins themselves. That's right, a healthy gut microbiome can synthesize vitamin K and some B vitamins, making it even more important to maintain a balanced diet and a clean colon. So, there you have it, 6 incredible vitamins that can help you cleanse your colon naturally and keep you feeling light, healthy, and full of energy. Remember to incorporate these vitamins into your diet through a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich foods to give your colon the superhero support it needs. But, as with all things in life, moderation is key. Overloading on any one vitamin can have negative effects on your health. So it's important to maintain a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional if you're considering supplements. In addition to incorporating these vitamins into your diet, there are other ways to support your colon health, like staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and consuming enough fiber. All of these lifestyle choices work together to create the perfect environment for a clean, healthy colon, and ultimately, a happier, more energetic you. Remember, your colon plays a crucial role in your overall health, acting as the body's waste disposal system and helping to absorb essential nutrients. By taking care of your colon and giving it the vitamins and nutrients it needs, you are not only supporting your digestive health but also promoting overall well-being. So the next time you're out grocery shopping or planning your meals, Think about these 6 colon cleansing superheroes and how you can harness their powers to keep your colon functioning at its best. By embracing these vitamins and making conscious choices about your diet and lifestyle, you can truly experience the vibrant, energetic life that a clean, healthy colon can offer. And there you have it, the secret to a naturally clean colon, courtesy of Mother Nature herself. By making a few simple changes to your diet and incorporating these essential vitamins, you'll be well on your way to a happier, healthier colon and a more vibrant, energetic life. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better colon health. And here's to a brighter, lighter future for all of us.